Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of nature's most potent remedies for a healthier, more vibrant you. Today, we're diving into the world of golden spices, the hidden gems of your kitchen with the power to fight inflammation and restore balance to your body. Ready to revolutionize your health? Grab your favorite cup of golden milk, and let's get started. Section 1. Turmeric. The Golden Healer. Let's kick off with turmeric, the superstar of spices. Known as the Golden Healer, turmeric has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine. Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse against inflammation, helping to ease arthritis, joint pain, and even digestive issues. Right finger pro tip. Pair turmeric with black pepper to boost curcumin's absorption and unlock its full potential. Section 2. Ginger. The spicy healer. Next, we have ginger, a spice that's as versatile as it is powerful. Its secret weapon, gingerol, is a natural anti-inflammatory that soothes sore muscles, aids digestion, and even boosts circulation. Light bulb practical tip. Start your day with a warm ginger tea or add grated ginger to soups for a comforting twist. Section 3. Cinnamon. Sweet relief for inflammation. Who doesn't love the comforting aroma of cinnamon? Beyond its sweet flavor, cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which reduces inflammation and supports heart health. It's also great for balancing blood sugar levels. Honeypot DIY idea. Sprinkle cinnamon on your morning oatmeal or blend it into smoothies for a tasty, healing boost. Section 4. Cloves. Small but mighty, these tiny buds pack a punch. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and relieve pain. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants to protect your cells from damage. Hot beverage quick tip. Add a few cloves to your herbal tea for a burst of flavor and health benefits. Section 5. Cayenne pepper. Ignite your health. Looking to spice things up? Cayenne pepper is your go-to. Its heat comes from capsaicin, which not only fights inflammation but also relieves pain and boosts your metabolism. Fire fun fact. Mix cayenne with honey for a natural sore throat remedy. Section 6. Cardamom. The aromatic healer. Exotic and fragrant, cardamom is a spice you don't want to overlook. It's packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and promote digestive health. Plus, it adds a rich, warm flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. Teacup serving suggestion. Brew a cup of chai with cardamom for a cozy, health-boosting treat. Section 7. Black pepper, the nutrient booster. Finally, meet black pepper, the unsung hero of spices. Piperine, its active compound, enhances the absorption of nutrients like curcumin, making it an essential partner to turmeric. Herb kitchen tip. Always include freshly ground black pepper in your spice blends to amplify the benefits of your meals. And there you have it. 7 golden spices that are not only delicious but also life-changing. From turmeric's healing glow to black pepper's enhancing powers, these spices are nature's way of keeping us balanced and healthy. Right finger action step. Try incorporating one, or all, of these spices into your meals this week, and let us know in the comments how they transformed your health. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Don't forget to like and share for more natural health tips. Until next time, stay golden.